Women's roles in Western society were influenced by religious doctrines. A woman for a long time was valued by the newness of her vagina. Many women today regularly get asked an asinine question about their body count by men. It's none of their business. In a religious context, many women are still judged on the mythical idea of being wifey material. It's an implied standard that having a man choose her to be a wife to potentially bear his children is the highest honor that any man can bestow on a woman. Ladies, it's time for you to change this narrative. This will change the game around sex and marriage. When you detach from these antiquated ideas, it will free you from the burden of living relative to the impossible patriarchal idea of a wifey. Let's be honest. Men set up these rules and set them up in their favor. It's time for women to shake things up. Your validation as a worthy, worthwhile being of light does not need outside validation from another human being. Live life on your terms, including your sex life. Be unapologetically you, without guilt or shame. Goddess, you are powerful beyond belief.